A pounding headache, sensitivity to light, unbearable pain. For migraine sufferers, there is hope for much-needed pain relief with a new procedure done at Olathe Medical Center that targets the trigger points which lead to migraines. J.B. Moore, M.D., a plastic surgeon with Premier Plastic Surgery, is among the few surgeons in the nation performing this new procedure.
I looked into the surgery because I'd been having migraines for 2 straight years and life had just become miserable. I really needed some kind of out to get away from the pain.
The procedure came out of a happy accident in medicine. When migraine activity decreased in patients after brow lift surgery, medical researchers determined that the small forehead incisions had also helped deactivate migraine trigger sites. This advanced, minimally invasive procedure is now performed at the Center for Advanced Migraine Surgery at Olathe Medical Center and is specifically for migraine relief. Prospective patients must meet certain criteria, but for those who do, it can mean freedom from debilitating pain.
Botox relaxes the muscles that surround certain nerves that are thought to be the triggers for migraine headaches. So migraine headaches are a combination both of something going on within the brain, which is the headache itself, but that brain reaction is triggered by a painful stimulus, which is a compressed nerve somewhere in the face or the neck. The Botox relaxes the muscles around those nerves and therefore helps prevent the whole onset of the migraine headache.
If a Botox treatment is successful in preventing migraines or lessening their severity, then surgery to remove the triggering muscle is likely to achieve the same result, possibly permanently. Trigger site surgery is performed at Olathe Medical Center, and patients return home the same day.
My life has changed, but it's great now. I don't have headaches any longer. I can do anything I want. I'm not tired all the time. I enjoy everything now, where before I just couldn't.
If you suffer from migraines that have not responded well to treatment, you may qualify for Botox treatment and trigger site surgery. Call 913-791-4396 to learn more.